Hi, and welcome to this video. My name is Arun, and in this video I'd like to talk to you about presentation skills in general and share some information about our virtual training that's starting from next week on how to deliver exceptional presentations. A number of years back, I started working for the aviation industry. My job was to attract investments from high net worth individuals, or simply put, very wealthy people. The first assignment I received was to raise $2.2 million for a Bell helicopter that we had planned to purchase then. And I was told that it could take me up to 3 months and several rounds of presentations and follow-up meetings to secure that fund. Now bear in mind, I'd never worked in the aviation industry before, and I'd also not worked in any roles where I was required to raise that kind of capital. So although the truth is I was very excited to be joining this very challenging project, in fact leading this very challenging project in a new industry, the truth is I was also very nervous. I was nervous because I cared. I was nervous because I wanted to do very well in the company. Anyway, 3 weeks into my joining the new company, I realized I was ready, and I called all the potential investors to our headquarters, to the boardroom, on exactly the 30th day of me joining the company. So exactly 1 month after I joined the company, I made my first presentation. In the presentation, I spoke for just over 25 minutes, and at the end of the presentation, we were able to secure $2.6 million, an amount that was higher than what we were looking for. That moment then opened a lot of doors for me to make even more strategic presentations, even more important presentations, and I kept on excelling in each presentation. Pretty soon, senior executives from my company started to reach out to me to get feedback on their presentations, and before long, a lot of people from outside my company started to approach me to get feedback on their presentations so they could also get similar results. I'm happy to share with you that I've trained a very large group of managers, executives, senior executives, MBA students, and a handful of CEOs so far. And it's something that I'm very passionate about. And anytime I'm training anyone, whether it's an individual or a specific team or an entire organization, this is one of the things I always stress. If you prepare for every single presentation as if it was the last presentation of your life, someday one of them is bound to change your life. Let me say that again. If you prepare for every single presentation as if it was the last presentation of your life, someday one of them is bound to change your life. Because we all know, if we knew that the next presentation we will be doing is going to be the last one in our life, we will probably put all our effort, everything we've got into it, to make it very memorable and very effective. And what I mean is, if you were to put the same kind of efforts, the same kind of sincere efforts, every single opportunity you have to present, that before you know it, you will be so far ahead of the crowd that somebody is bound to take notice. You could be speaking and somebody could listen to you and say, who is that employee? I want to give him a raise, or I want to give her a promotion. Who's that person who is speaking? Does he have a business? I want to invest in his business. Who's that person that's speaking? I want to be trained by him. Who's that person that's speaking? He's got such a beautiful message. Maybe we could ask him to write a book. You never know what kind of opportunity could be presented if you are sincere enough in refining your presentation skills every single opportunity you have to present. Your ability to stand in front of a group of people and to speak with command and authority and charisma and passion is one of the most important skills that you can have. Let me say that again. Your ability to stand in front of a group of people and to speak with authority and charisma and command and passion is one of the most important skills that you can have. The truth is, the world is hungry for people who can influence other people, who can persuade other people. That is why leadership is such a hot topic right now. The core of leadership really boils down to one word: influence. And that's exactly what we want to have when you are presenting. The challenge right now is that when speakers are speaking, people are not even listening to them. People are on their phones or having a chit chat, or they're thinking about their lunch and dinner. There is no chance that the speaker can have an impact on the audience like that. Your job should be that the objective of the presentation that you should always remember, in my opinion, is that not only should you have the audience so interested that they want to listen to you, but they want to completely believe in you. That is the real objective of doing a presentation. You want the audience to blindly support you, to follow you, to be inspired by you, to be touched by you. That's when you have a real chance to make an impact. Because if you can do that, the whole world is your oyster, and really, truthfully, the sky is the limit. Let's just look at what's happening right now. If you look at the people who have a huge followership in LinkedIn, in YouTube, in TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, all these places, these people are very powerful. They are the ones who get the commission. They are the ones who get the endorsements. They are the people who have multiple sources of revenue. The point is simple. The point is that if you have the ability to speak in such a way that you can connect to many people, you can touch their hearts, you are always going to be extremely valuable to the community, to the world that we live in. This is where the right training and the right trainer comes in. Let's assume that you are here today. This is where you are, whether you were just starting out or you have some degree of experience, but you want to take your presentation skills to the next level. And this is where you want to get to. This is where you are an amazing speaker who can instantly build rapport with the audience and get their trust. Okay? If you were to take this journey yourself, if you are sincere enough in your intentions and in your efforts, you will definitely get there by yourself. But it's going to take you a substantially longer time than if you choose the right trainer who can give you the right materials, because that will expedite the process and collapse the time down. There will still be some time that you will require because you need to practice. You must be aware about yourself, your body language. You need to be aware about the dynamics of audience, your content, your delivery, you as the presenter. It will still take some time, but the right trainer can really expedite and collapse the time. And this is what we want. It's interesting, at the beginning of 2022, I stumbled across an article. It was completely an accident. I also teach as a lecturer in one of the business schools here in Oxford, and I was just preparing for my lecture when I stumbled across this article. It's a very interesting article. They asked this very successful US-based real estate entrepreneur. He's also a billionaire. So they asked him, they said, you're already 60. You've got a very loving family that you talk about all the time. You've got many successful businesses in your name. You've got several hundreds of employees who are working for you. You are very famous, people like you across the globe. At this stage, in this new year, if there was one thing you could improve, what would that be? And the billionaire said, if there was one skill I could improve this year, it would be communication and presentation skills simultaneously. Do you see the difference here? The ultra successful, ultra rich people, this guy who doesn't have to work another second in his life, wants to invest money and time and resource in improving his communication and presentation skills, whereas a typical employee or a business owner will only do the bare minimum required to do the job. The reason this guy who is ultra successful and many other very successful people are still taking the time to refine their communication and presentation skills is because they have understood that the biggest competitive advantage they can have is their ability to connect with other people, to inspire other people, to touch their hearts. Because in the times that we are living, if you have the ability to speak to people in such a way that you can touch their hearts, the whole world is a market for this businessman. He knows that he can always have more and more customers. He knows that the only thing that's between him and selling his products or services, as an example, is how effectively he can communicate and sell to others. He knows that the rewards for excellent presentation skills are disproportionate, simply because there are so few people who can actually do the job in such a fantastic way that they can win people's hearts. He knows that the rewards for outstanding presentations are disproportionate. So let me quickly tell you a little bit about the training itself. We are conducting a 2-hour virtual training from next week. Please let me know if you have any questions at all. You can drop me a message. I will be sure to reply to you. If you want to request any alternative arrangements for the training itself, please do drop me a message. So let me first of all thank you for watching the video. Let me close with this. A good presentation can be the difference between securing your dream job or being unemployed. It can be the difference between being rapidly promoted in your organization or being stuck in the same role for a long time. It can be the difference between getting the right investors and the right amount of money so you can scale your business or completely go bankrupt. It can be the difference between feeling fulfilled because you are able to help the charity or a social club that you are passionate about, or feeling completely helpless. It can be the difference between having extremely bright and competent and talented people come to your company, or be distressed because of constant turnaround in employees. A good presentation can be the difference between closing the biggest client of your life or losing them to your competitor. The choice is yours. You will need to put in the work, but like I said, the rewards are disproportionate. If you take the time to practice your presentations seriously, someday one of them will change your life. So here's where I want to conclude. If you are 20, don't wait until you are 25. If you are 30, don't wait until you are 32. If you are 40, don't wait another month. You get the point. This is a skill that will serve you for as long as you live. It's not just a 9-to-5 skill. If you have the ability to stand in front of a group of people and speak, you will forever be in demand no matter where you go. It is a skill that's worth learning for the rest of your life. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my video. I hope you have an excellent day. I hope you have an excellent week. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.